So, part 2 of this knife, a Victorinox soldier. It comes with the manual. Yeah. And well, this knife feels great in the hand. It's got a big serrated blade that you can open with one hand, and the serrations are here at top, not back here. It's got a liner lock. Yeah. And nice tight grip. See, like that. Oops. Yeah. And then we have a Phillips screwdriver at the back, and a reamer here. Yeah. And here's a big saw. And there's a bottle opener with a line lock too, and a can opener. Yeah, so I will be doing a review on this too and test it. Yeah, goodbye.